of the day.
Thank you.
And it has, you will find some recipes also.
I do cooking classes, really pretty regularly, and this is definitely the most I've ever learned at one.
So what we are going to start with, this pigeon is lentil fry, which is like dal tadka, and this is the most common lentil we used in every household in India.
My wife and I, we love food. We're both foodies, and both in town, living in New Orleans, we've done local culinary sessions, and even abroad when we travel. I think it exceeded all of our expectations. I think we got to experience some food we probably, like you said, wouldn't have experienced out in an Indian restaurant. The closeness and intimacy of the whole experience was great. You know, really kind of getting to lean over and look at things and make roti by hand ourselves. It was fantastic. It definitely exceeded all of the expectations that we came in with.
Just make that and use it as a dip with anything.
My expectation was similar to my past experiences where you show up and most of the prep is done and you do a little bit of work and then you all sit down and eat. And this far exceeded my expectations. I learned a lot more than I thought I was ever going to learn.